Online coaches need an efficient booking system, one that can organize all your one-on-one sessions in just a few clicks. If you've been using Calendly, you're probably one of these two kinds of people. First, the person who uses the free version but with limited features. Second, the person that pays a huge amount of money monthly or yearly just to get all the features and have your meetings booked. You don't have to be any of these two, because I'm going to show you an alternative that costs $0 to start. Let's talk about pricing plans for Calendly. Calendly starts at $10 to $16 per seat per month. It costs $100 to $1,000 per year, but you still don't get all the features. And it's purely for booking your meetings. A scheduling tool like Calendly is great, but it can also burn your money out in the long run. As an online coach, you're not just booking meetings. You also need to grow your community and market your services. And I found a solution that can do both just for you. This is nasio. It's free, simple, and provides the same features a paid Calendly plan has and more. If you want to try it out for free, we have the link in the description box below. Once you're in, you can start giving one-on-one coaching sessions right away. Here's how. First, go to your portal and click New Product. Select one-on-one sessions, write the title and description, set the duration of the session. Next, choose whether the session is paid or free. If it's paid, you have the option to give discounts using a code. Then, add the meeting link or the location if it's in person. Click Continue. The next step is adding all the checkout information. Set the price and add personalized questions if you'd like to collect more information from your members. Now, let's set up your schedule. Select available days and time slots. Set the time zone. You can opt to block unavailable dates and times. You can set a minimum notice period and decide how many days ahead a member can book a session with you. If you need to pause, you can stop accepting bookings with just a click. Time to put in more information about you. Just add in your name, title, and bio. All the information you'd like your members to know before booking. nasio also helps with sending booking confirmation emails promptly after a successful booking. To avoid missed bookings, nasio sends another email reminder a day before the schedule. Unlike Calendly, where you need a website to embed your schedule on, nasio gives you a free landing page where your client can easily book a one-on-one session and make local payments. nasio equips you with the tools you need for your online coaching business. You can sell online courses, host events, and send newsletters with open rate insights. The analytics support also gives you full information about your earnings, member growth, and top-selling digital products. To stay connected with your clients, you can integrate messaging apps like WhatsApp. Then, use the AI tool to send your weekly summary of the group chats. You can do all of this using the nasio website and the nasio mobile app. It has all the tools an online coach will need. The best thing about this platform is it's very simple and easy to use. You can set up a paid call right now with no upfront charges. Hit the like button if you find it helpful in searching for the best Calendly alternative for your online coaching business. And if you want more coaching business guides like this, subscribe to our channel and we'll see you on the next one.